we're gonna introduce over here AT3. That's the machine made by Atlas USA, a walking foot machine under trimming, and you can do labels, you can do back tack, fast or slow, needle position, and you have the CP 180. Now we're going to demonstrate the machine, how smooth it is, and it's a self-oil also, direct drive, big large stitch, reverse, or you can do the reverse right here in front of you. It's attention, it's automatic tensions. So right now you're going to hear the machine. It's a fully automatic, semi-automatic, as the lift only you lift with your knee. So here's the machine, sounds very good. Any speed you want, you pick it up, you cut your thread, take a look at the stitches, and you can do any size. Okay, as we see over here, right now the needle position, it's down, as you see. If we want to do the needle position up, or we push that button over here, and every time you finish, the needle is up. Needle position down, the needle stay down. You want to do a reverse, you go this way, and that's going to make you reverse. Very easy, very nice, very quiet, nice stitch. And you can do really heavy duty without a problem whatsoever. Now we're going to go and do that stitch, as you see. Look how thick it is, and look back and forth. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company. You can do any stitch you want by you controlling the pedal. If you want it stitch by stitch or faster or whatever you want, you can stop it in the middle, you can continue, you can do one, or you can go whatever you want and go faster, and then trims, and you see it beautifully. Thank you very much. Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company.